squad, it's me Prasanna. Welcome back in my dream wonderland. So today I'm making a slime in hotel room, but it has a twist in it. So that is dun, 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 without no bowl or spoon. It's gonna be so messy. So yeah, if you guys don't know, I'm in Syria and it's my grandfather's place. His birthplace. And yeah, we're not in his house, we're in hotel. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button, click the bell icon so you can miss any more videos. Also, if you are new or if you like this video, please click that thumbs up. So yeah, let's make slime. So I brought this as activator, this Dettol saving cream, these two blue synthetic glues here. Oh no, I'm a little scared. Melted. Oh no. Oh, it is already activating. Ooh. Oh no, it's not. But it is saving cream, so saving. Oh, it's too activated. Okay guys, so as you know that this is not really slime, so we are gonna put a lotion in it, body lotion. So let's put it. Oh, it's already there. Let's mix them. It's too activated. I love how what it turned it out like. It's so like baby blue, and I love it so much. But if one is blue and one is pink, then it will turn purple, and it's so good color. And we're both pink. It's gonna be nice if pink. So. It won't make a bubble, but it is quite clear, as you guys can see. A little bit, but who knows this? Okay guys, so but this slime is not really good. Comment if you like this slime or not. I literally not like this slime, but still it's good for your hand, like massage. But I only use 2 glue. If I use like 3, then it will be nice, I guess, but whatever. So I've seen the video over here, so if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye.